Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chicken and chorizo tacos. Yes, you are going to love these tacos. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I have tomato paste, Himalaya salt, all the salt you have at home, 2 bay leaves, garlic cloves, onion, half a tomato, chicken breast, and chorizo. This is everything you need to make these delicious chicken and chorizo tacos. Perfect for this hot weather. So let's get started. I want to start with my chicken breast. I have rinsed very well the chicken. I have the salt, the garlic, and the bay leaves. And on the stove, I have a pan with boiling water. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding the chicken breast in here. It's going to take about 30 to 45 minutes for the chicken to get nice and soft, nice and cooked all the way. I'm adding my bay leaves, my garlic cloves, and my salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. I'm going to go ahead and just let it boil up, let it cook for about 10-15 minutes, and then I am ready to lower the heat to medium low and cover it. I'm going to let it cook here. I'm going to continue here with my tomato and my onion. I'm going to dice it in very small pieces, just like that. And now I am ready to transfer it to my plate. Okay, I'm going to put my tomato paste here and I am ready. I'm going to prepare myself some salsa with tomatillos, chiles serranos, and garlic cloves. And look at this. This salsa comes out delicious. You have step-by-step a video on my channel on how to make this delicious salsa. It's nice and thick, nice and tasty. You're gonna love it. I have a lot of different type of salsas, but this one is my favorite. Here I have the chicken already. It's been cooking for about 45 minutes and I am ready to take it out of the liquid and just let it cool down a little bit at a time. It's gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes. It's nice and hot. So right now I'm just gonna let it rest because I need to pull it apart, shred it completely for this delicious recipe. My pan is nice and hot. I'm adding the chorizo and I don't like to add any oils. I'm gonna add just a splash of water so that I could pull apart the chorizo and let it cook in its own juices. That's why I don't like adding any oils before, I add my chorizo. Look at this. It's releasing its own oil. It's cooking in medium-low heat. And now I am ready to pull apart and shred the chicken. Shred the chicken really good. Take your time because the chicken needs to be nice and shredded so that it will absorb the flavors of the chorizo. I am completely done. This is done. And now let's go see how the chorizo is doing. The chorizo is getting a little bit crispy. It's cooked all the way. And I'm just poking at it, making sure that it's pulled apart. I'm going to add the onion. I'm going to incorporate the onion completely. When the onion gets nice and translucent, then I'm going to add the tomato. I'm adding the diced tomato. I'm going to incorporate it. Once it's incorporated, I'm going to add the paste, the tomato paste. Please do not skip adding the tomato paste because the tomato paste is going to give it a delicious flavor and the color. Now that this is nice and cooked, you could barely see the little pieces of the tomato. Then I am ready to start adding the shredded chicken. Look at this. My home smells amazing. And you guys are going to love these tacos. Now I'm ready to add the shredded chicken on the top. Once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate everything. I'm gonna get all that chorizo on the top, mix it really good. Once everything is incorporated, I'm just gonna let it cook for just a couple minutes so that the chicken absorbs all those delicious flavors of that chorizo. This looks amazing, but you know something? It smells delicious. Now this is completely done. I'm gonna go ahead and just transfer it to a plate because I'm going to use this pan so I could add my tortillas in here, and the tortillas will absorb all the delicious juices of the chorizo. Look at this. It's really nice and hot. The smell is amazing. I wish you guys were here. Look at this. You need to try this recipe. These tacos are my favorite. My kids really love them. And now I'm just adding just a little bit of vegetable oil, and I'm gonna add my tortillas in here. I want my tortillas to be a little bit hard, not too soft, so I can enjoy these tacos. I have already made my tacos. Look at this. They look amazing. And of course, I'm going to add some cilantro and some onion right on the top. And I'm going to add the delicious tomatillo salsa. My mouth is watering. I really love these tacos. This recipe comes out perfect every time. Okay, I'll see you in a bit because I can't wait to taste and enjoy these delicious chicken chorizo tacos. I'll see you in a bit. I am ready for the presentation. Completely done with this delicious chicken chorizo tacos. You know something? I made a tomatillo salsa that you saw in the video, and you already have a complete video of this delicious salsa. Of course, I have to combine it with the pineapple lemonade that you already have on my channel. But let me stop talking and let me enjoy these delicious tacos. Of course, that I'm adding a little more salsa because I love spicy food. I wish you were here to taste it with me. Enjoy these delicious tacos with me. Excuse me. These tacos came out amazing. Give it a try. Make it at home. Enjoy these delicious tacos like I am enjoying them now. Very easy to prepare. And the combination of this pineapple lemonade, perfection. You know, my friends, when you cook with love at home, everything comes out amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying these delicious chicken chorizo tacos made at home with a lot of love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.